Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Windows version and opening the right control panel. Right-click the taskbar or press Win+I to jump into settings immediately. Once in settings, navigate to personalization then taskbar. This is where the hide controls live. Make sure your account has admin rights if options are missing, otherwise changes may not stick. Now that you're in the taskbar settings page, pause and look for the auto hide and related visibility toggles. You'll enable auto hide to make the taskbar slide away. Toggle the auto hide switch and observe the immediate effect. Once toggled, customize small taskbar buttons or hide badges to shrink visual space and avoid accidental reveal. If you use multiple displays, make sure to enable auto hide on all screens where you want it hidden. Test by moving your cursor to the bottom edge and then away. The bar should reappear and then hide after a second or two, confirming the setting works. To finalize, lock the taskbar and review other personalization options so the hidden state persists. If it refuses to hide, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer, and check again. This often resolves stuck UI. Make sure no app notifications or pinned apps are forcing visibility. If so, adjust app settings or notification banners. If problems continue, sign out and sign back in or reboot. Those steps clear transient states and should restore normal auto-hide behavior for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.